5 print on demand niches episode 8. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. As usual, in today's video, I'll continue with the 8th episode of the top 5 print on demand niches. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly make an announcement that on Mondays, I'm going to be doing the top 5 niches, top 5 print on demand niches. And on Fridays, I'm going to be doing the top 5 Amazon KDP niches. So this makes it easy for you to know when to come in to watch your respective videos, because I know that my audience is split between print on demand and Amazon KDP preferences. So that's why I'm splitting the days that I'm going to be making videos for print on demand and Amazon KDP niches respectively. That is Mondays and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into the niches for today. Our first niche is the free Britney niche. This niche is very popular right now, and although I wouldn't advise you to get into this niche, because merch by Amazon or Amazon in general doesn't like niches that has to do with freedom, war, fighting, and things like that, anything related to protest. So the niche, obviously, it's on merch by Amazon. I wouldn't advise you to get into it if you don't want to risk your account. But the niche is obviously doing very well. It's on merch by Amazon, priced at $14.49, 335 sales and 23 reviews. And if you take a look at the BSR, it has been dropping and it's almost at 0. So you can see that, and it's projected to be the same. And if you look at the current trend, although it is down, but the overall trend is up. So here are the keywords that you're going to use if you want to target this niche. And here are other designs produced by the same brand. This one is in pink, the other one was in white. So this one looks like a hoodie, Free Britney. It's been selling 6 sales. So if you want to check for the trademark, you can do that all here in Flying Research. You just come to TM listing check right here, click it, and you're going to see if it's safe to use or not. So as of now, Free Britney has been filed, but it hasn't been registered. That's why I was saying that you should be careful if you want to target this niche, because until it is registered, you can still make money from it. But it's a kind of slippery slope because the trademark has already been filed. But it is a great niche. That's what I'm trying to say. So before we go ahead, I just want to quickly say that Flying Research will be free from today till the 19th. That's approximately 4 days. And within this period, you can get Flying Research for free, because on the 19th, it's going to become a paid tool. And when it becomes a paid tool, the advantages of those people who got Flying Research before it became a paid tool are not going to have to pay anything. So it's advantageous for you to get Flying Research right now before it becomes a paid tool, because you don't have to pay anything. But from the 19th, it's going to become a paid tool. I want to talk more about that at the end of the video, so if you'd like to know about it, stick around till the end. Moving on to the second niche is Work from Home Employee of the Month. The reason why I chose this niche is because I took a look at the date right here, and since the pandemic has been here for a while, people have lost their job, and some people lost their job since March 20th. Some people lost their job February 2020. Some people lost their job 2021, January 2021. So you can switch this March to February, March. You can turn it to April, May, just like that. You can even change this 2020 to 2021. So as long as the pandemic goes on, that's how this t-shirt is gonna sell. So for now, it has sold 330 times, priced at $16.99, 36 plus reviews. Scrolling down, The BSR has been undulating, but right now, as you can see, it's approaching 0 or 1. And although the overall trend is down, the current trend is up, and that's because of the pandemic. So scrolling down, here are keywords that you can use, and here are other t-shirt design ideas. Anything related to the pandemic, of course, is going to sell because that's one of the things we are facing right now. Moving on to niche number 3 is women's 30th birthday gift for women. I chose this shirt because of the design, because it's related to birthdays, and everyone has a birthday, and there are birthdays every day. So you could change this to 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995. And as you're changing those years, you should be changing these ones down here. If you don't like, you can even remove these 30 years and just be switching this one right here. So that's the kind of designs that I like. I like going for designs that you can make variations from that same designs, because if this one is already selling, then the other years are going to be selling. So like I said, birthdays and is one of the evergreen niches that you should focus your design on, especially if your design is good. If you notice your design is good, you should spread it across t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, phone cases, pop sockets, and more. That's what I usually do. If I notice that one design I make is selling, I will first of all put it on a sweatshirt because it's cold right now. Then from a sweatshirt to a hoodie, if it keeps on selling, from a hoodie to a mug, keeps on selling from a mug to a phone case, and so on and so forth. So that's the same thing that I advise you to do. I usually use Printful as my print on demand provider, and I recommend that you do the same. There are other print on demand providers like Printify. It's up to you if you want to use them. They also have products that you can take advantage of, which Printful doesn't have. So you should look at both of them. They are good print on demand providers. So moving on to the fourth niche is I am a black woman, educated, melanin, black history. So we're in a Black History Month. That's why these Black History shirts are selling, and also because of the Black Lives Matter protests and all the like. So this shirt has been selling. So it's has sold 129 times, price of $17.99. Over 10 reviews. Scrolling down, we can see that the BSR has been dropping and is predicted to drop. So here is the BSR. The overall trend is up, of course, because of the Black History Month. And here are the keywords that you can use. And scrolling down, here are similar designs as well as similar designs from the same brand. As you can see here, this looks like a hoodie, just what I was trying to explain before. The design was selling up there, that's why they expanded it into a hoodie. And look at this, price at $31.99. It has already sold 4 times and is expected to sell more. So moving on to the last niche of the day is a St. Patrick's dabbing leprechaun gift. So obviously St. Patrick's Day is quickly approaching. That's why this BSR keeps on dropping like this. Overall trend up, current trend up. And here are the keywords that you can use together with other designs from the same brand. So this one is kind of funny. The leprechauns made me do it. Anyway, here are other designs. Wow, this looks beautiful. So it's a leprechaun. It's not I'm saying this leprechaun instead of a unicorn. So that's a nice mixing of niches there. Instead of unicorn, it's a leprechaun. So you can see other design ideas that you can tap from. So I also want to quickly make an announcement that there's a link to a giveaway at the description section, and I'm going to announce the winner of that giveaway in about 4 days time. That's when I'm launching the flying research. You remember I kept the giveaways on a hold because I wanted to launch the giveaway together with the flying research giveaway. So there's a link to the giveaway in the description, or link to enter the giveaway in the description if you're interested. And I'm gonna call the winner of the giveaway in the next video. Just want to quickly show you what is gonna be the features that are gonna be released with the flying research, or the perks that you're gonna get if you get flying research. So flying research prices is gonna be $19.95 per month if you're gonna get it on the 19th. And flying research and the trademark bundle is $28.95. The trademark itself is just $9.95. Here are the prices if you want to go the yearly plan. And here's the launch offer. From February 19th to February 28th, you can have 50% off if you use the code of an affiliate partner. I'm an affiliate partner, and the codes are not yet available, but they'll be available when flying research is going to be launched, which is on the 19th. So with the prices with 50% off, this is the prices that you're going to get. And scrolling down, this is what I was trying to explain to you in the beginning of the video. The only available founders badge for everyone who has subscriber, for everyone who was a subscriber on Black Friday or had an active subscription before, and for everyone who gets flying research till the end of February. That's what I was trying to explain to you, that if you had flying research before February 19th, you're not going to have to pay anything, because you're going to have a special starter reward, as well as you still have around 4 days or so to get flying research if you don't want to play the monthly plan and you're not going to have to pay anything for the rest of your life. So it's up to you what you want to do right now, if to stay till February 19th and get a 50% off flying research launch, or to get it right now and never have to pay again. So don't forget to click the link in the description to enter the giveaway, and the winner is going to be released next video. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.